today I'll be teaching you how to do a voiceover using CapCut. Yes, for your reaction video or for storytelling or whatever means you want to use a voiceover for is your choice. But I'm here to teach you how to go about. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please do so you will get a lot of good tutorial videos like the one you just finished watching now. Yeah.
So guys, I've told you that if you don't have CapCut, download it on your Play Store or on Apple Store if you're using an iPhone. It is very, very important to have these tools to ease your edit. We are talking about voiceover, how to do voiceover with your CapCut. So let's get down to CapCut. Let's go to CapCut. So let's CapCut then. Okay. So click on CapCut. This new project, if you're following me, be used to this new project. Click on this new project. So you're trying to take a video to do. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, let's use this one. So
Hi guys, if you're not using CapCut in 2025, tell me what you're
your clip, you need to mute your clip so that you will not get copyright claim or when you're being demonetized, when you're monetized already. So first and foremost, you have to mute it. So you say all original sound, all clip muted, so you cannot hear even if I'm playing it anymore, so you cannot hear it. So now we are going to go to this place, record. Then you click on this button, 3 2 1. Hi guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I give you quality information on how to grow your YouTube channel and yeah, blah 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 blah, like that. And then after that, you click on that same record. Then you click on this plus sign and you click on it. It's already saved already. That is how to do your voice over, how to record it. So now after that you have done that, you click on this, just like you click on this voice over, you see volume. You increase the volume so it will be very audible. After you've increased the volume, you also go to reduce noise. You also go to reduce noise and reduce it. Also go to reduce noise and reduce it. After that, you come back again. If you like an audio effect, you can use an audio effect if you want to. These are a lot of audio effect that you want. Sweetening, I love sweetening just to make your voice look beautiful, like all those deep voice, bass voice, all those things are here. Like when you hear some people doing voice over, like you the voice is so smooth in your ear, is so refreshing and all that. Some people use all this to, but if you want to use your original voice, you can use your original voice. And that is just it on how to do voice over on it. It's a simple step and you thank me later. That is how to do reaction or anything you want to do. And let me even add one more again. This is for a video. If you want to do for an image or something, just come here, click on that plus sign, click on this photo, then you add it. So okay, so you click on photo, then also what I said, you just go to your audio and you click on that record and you just did the same thing you did here. Hello everybody, hello everybody, hello everybody. Then you click on it. That is it. Do the same thing, click on this place for your volume, increase the volume. If you want to add effect, add effect. Always just try to reduce noise because everywhere may be noisy, to just smooth it. Then you save. Then after that, you export your video and all. You can come here, click on anything that you want to click here if it's necessary, if you want to do that. But me, I don't do all those things. I'm okay with the way it is. I just export it and that's all. I just export. Keep exporting, exporting and exporting and exporting and exporting.